So last month when I was traveling, I broke the frame on my ZX6R. I had the money to buy the frame, but taking $1,000 out of your pocket when you're traveling on the road 24/7 is kind of a nice hit to anybody. So rather than taking that money out of my pocket, I touched this Patreon savings from everybody that pitches in every month, and we used that money to go ahead and buy a new frame for the bike. It felt really great to know that I used that money for something good, and everybody in the Patreon family knows that their efforts are what keep my bike on the road and keep me riding. I'm so appreciative of that, guys. I went ahead and had the idea a couple weeks back to find a bike that we could go ahead and do a build series on. I looked for a while, tried to find bikes and everything else, but nothing really happened. But I think the way the universe works, you know, when you want something bad enough, even if you're not looking for it, it's just gonna fall into your lap, guys. But yeah, the perfect opportunity came the other night, and I jumped on it. Say hello to the Patreon giveaway. Mamma mia. So I know you're just thinking, wow, I just gassed everybody up and just showed you guys a parts bike. The best part about this bike is that it's nothing right now, guys, but we are gonna turn this into the baddest stunt bike I've ever built in my life. I'm hand delivering it to anybody that wins, as long as you're in the US.
Came from the bottom.
I had to drive back and get the key, people.
Remember them cold nights? I was sleeping on the floor, yeah. Always dreamed about the 4G, I had 0 feet, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more, yeah.
So we know this thing starts, it runs, the motor's solid. It's time to tear it apart and get to building. I challenge you to take this tank and make it into a stunt tank.
Remember I was in the project walls, I couldn't even get a loan. Now these niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I'll be, yeah. Remember I was in the county jail, none of these bitches wasn't picking up the, yeah. Now they banging my line, I ain't got time no more, yeah. A nigga started from the bottom, now I'm living. Early morning knuckle whipping in the kitchen. Some people said I couldn't do it and I did it. Look at my bank account, I'm running up the I ain't in all that doing, never saw shit. I walk it, I talk it, I leave it. Come to the birdhouse, look at the garage, nigga. My Bentley coupe got a couple. I was down on my ass, yeah. Had to go a new direction, yeah, yeah. Bought my mama Gucci purse, gave it 10 racks, told her you ain't gotta, yeah. It ain't even an emergency and a nigga about to pull up in a 9, yeah. Just to feed my, yeah. I told God it's a blessing, yeah, yeah. Nigga came from the bottom, yeah. Down below, seen that shit. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on a, what else?
Get it nice and minty. Yo, Mike, what are you doing, bro?
Cut the frame.
No, I said cut the chain.
Cut the chain?
Dude.
I can't count no more, seen that shit. Down below, yeah, yeah. Down below, yeah. Down below, down below, down below, yeah, yeah. Down below, yeah. Down below. Roddy Rich, yeah, I never took the safe route. Nick came from the bottom, I had to make it out. I was trapping in the box, I had to break out. Hurt my soul when the feds kicked down the vacant house. Black truck on the corner, they had a stakeout. Seen the dope boy pulling that Rafe out. Had to get up out the hood to the lake house. The head chef about to bring my, yeah. I was pouring up the leaders, what else? Swiping them visas, yeah. They think a nigga Rondo, cause I always kept a Nina. Now my jury wetter than Aquafina, yeah. Quick trip to Catalina. White bitch better Selena, ayy. Fucking then a nigga gotta leave her, ayy. I just wanna shine like the red fruit stars, cause the nigga been, ayy. Ain't nobody seen bird vision, dog. Got it all on, yeah. Remember them nights I was trapping all night, yeah. Now I keep a shooter on the right, just in case a nigga try to do me wrong, yeah. A nigga came from the bottom, yeah. Down below, yeah.
What are you doing?
Watering your cow. Make sure she grows up all big and strong.
Remember them nights I was trapping all night, yeah. Now I keep a shooter on the right, just in case a nigga try to do me wrong, yeah. A nigga came from the bottom, yeah. Down below, yeah. Remember them cold nights I was sleeping on a, yeah. Always dreamed about the 4G, I had 0 feet, now they down below, yeah. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more, yeah, yeah. Down below, seen that shit. Down below, yeah, yeah. Down below, yeah. Down below, yeah. Down below, yeah, yeah. Y'all fuck with that one?
Gotta be running solid. Fingers crossed, people. This is the real deal.
That was cool.
Strong startup.